Hello everyone. I thought it might be useful in discussing this technology if I use the technology to do a quick recording. So the video I'm making right now, I am making using Screencast-O-Matic. What I wanted to show you is this is the main page. So you can see that we are on screencast-o-matic.com, and as I move through the screen and am clicking, you can see that it works like desktop capture software. So whatever I do on my desktop at this point will be recorded. All right. So if those of you that accept the challenge and decide to set up your Screencast-O-Matic account, what you'll want to do is go to the website, which you can see at the top, screencast-o-matic.com. All right, there's a link posted in this thread, so you can just follow the link and set up an account. To do that, you'll go to Login, and then you'll fill in the register field with your email twice and a password. It's that simple. It's free. What I like about this is that you can use this technology through the web. So those of you that work in a business or in a school system that has somewhat restrictive firewalls, you don't have to download any software. You do have the option to download kind of a plug-in style software program, which Baker doesn't trigger any of the firewalls, but if you're working in a K-12 environment that is more restrictive with what you can and can't download to a PC on the network, you may not be able to do that. But with Screencast-O-Matic, you can use it through the web. With the free version of this software, you can record up to a 15-minute video at a time, and then you can maintain one 15-minute video, on the web with your account. If you want to record multiple videos or perhaps record a lecture, an hour-long lecture, you would have to do it in 4 15-minute chunks. Once you're in, though, you can log into your account and then click the Start Recording button. Now, obviously, I've started recording already, so I'm in the program itself. But what you can begin to see is the value of this, being able to talk to your students, to be able to walk your students or your staff, quite honestly, through your screen. A lot of times I'll use this with Excel. I'll use this to give a virtual tour. So those of you teaching in K-12 may use Khan Academy. And when I'm teaching instructors about Khan Academy, which is an online tutorial site, I will use Screencast-O-Matic to record myself going through Khan Academy. And so what you can see is that as I move through my screens and as I'm moving through the web, you can see everything that I'm doing. And now I could teach you potentially how to use Khan Academy. Okay? But just a quick tutorial to give you an idea of how to do this. Now, once you record your video, what you'll need to do is post it into the classroom, which is a little bit different process. So to do that, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Blackboard, and you can see I'm already in our class in the Ed Tech of the Week. You will click Reply, but this works in any of the screens that we have. And then there are a couple ways to do it. My recommended way is to save your Screencast-O-Matic recording as a video file, and then to your hard drive or to an external drive or to your PC, and then come down here to the Embed Media link. If you don't see this right away, you may just see these options here. That's okay. All you'll need to do is click this arrow. To embed your video once it's recorded, you're going to click Insert, Edit, Embedded Media, which will pull up. You'll select the appropriate file type. Okay. And then simply just either browse your computer to find the file, or if you've saved it on the web to YouTube or some other such source, you can put the URL to connect it there. Once you click Insert, you will see this video inserted. So this is exactly the process I'm going to follow to upload this video to our classroom when I'm done. A couple other options with Screencast-O-Matic. In addition to being able to do desktop capture, if you have a webcam on your computer or an external webcam, I have one on my laptop, which isn't turned on right now, but you can turn it on, and you can also record yourself as you're speaking and talking students through whatever the content is that you're recording. And then when the video plays back, you'll have a picture of yourself in the bottom right-hand corner. I'm going to use this several times during the course, but for the beginning of the class, I just wanted to get you to the website, get your account set up, and let you work through recording a video. If you have any trouble using this software at all, let me know. I think you'll find it's convenient, it's versatile, and it makes it really easy to create interactive classroom lessons. This type of software will be important, especially as we begin to have conversations on flipped classrooms and blended learning later in this course. There are other softwares that you can use. Jing is a common one, jing.com. The issue with Jing is that to really get any use out of it, it's a pay account, so I try and stick with things that are free and things that can operate on the web. Give this a shot. Send me any questions you might have. This is just some ideas to get you started. Thanks, and I look forward to seeing what you come up with.